Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply reduce print time in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that I recommend is to actually increase the layer height. Now, the reason why this happens is because taller layer means fewer total passes for the tool head. So switching from a 0.12 profile to something like 0.20 mm can easily cut your print time in half. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this plate right here just to see how much print time it will cost. And as of right now, we are at 11 hours and 1 minute. So if we go ahead and adjust this into something like 0.20, it will then reduce our print time from 11 hours to 9 hours. So that's really big. And another thing that we could do is to click on it and use the variable layer height. I'm going to click on adaptive and smooth. And basically, I'm just going to leave it at that. And while we're at it, you can also increase the infill line width. Now it's going to be right here. And for the next one, which is going to be the core geometry and infill by navigating through strength, the first thing that you want to do is to actually reduce the wall loops. Now, basically, fewer perimeter radically accelerate our printing. In here, we could also try reducing our infill percentage. So let's navigate through this sparse infill. And instead of using something like the 15% normal, let's go ahead and apply 10%. You could also try changing the infill pattern. So let's go ahead and choose something easy like maybe this grid option right here. Let's click on the slice plate option. And from 9 hours, we reduce it to 7 hours. So that's really big. Basically, we started from 11 hours and now we are at 7 hours and 30 minutes. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.